All right, folks. So in this week's Sinting to Smile About, crew members will be asked to run off set and get a few items from other members.
I'm not playing because I just realized you're not playing, so I'm not playing.
Execute a task.
Execute is right.
With the assistance of a crew member. She is playing, I'm the boss.
I'm not, Shauna, I'm not playing. If Nevin's not playing.
And get back in 30 seconds.
Wait, if Nevin's not playing, I'm
their
not.
seat may be gone. The last, I was going to say last man, but it's only one man in there, so the last person standing.
This don't nice for me, Nana. What's happening here is not.
All right. Okay. Go in your seat,
I'm not
please.
playing if you're not playing. Somebody else has to do the call.
No, you are spoiling the show.
I'm not playing if you are not playing. You need to sit.
Sima. Thank you. So here the producer says somebody have to lead the thing, and I've decided that.
Londa can lead it.
Please.
Londa can lead it from the
Go. Stop giving a hard time.
I'm not. But don't like this for me.
All right. So the first thing now is. Get $100 from a crew member.
Respect. See. Miss Mama.
7. You need to say goodbye to Tanya. Tanya, come here 1 second, please. Come here, Tans. Come here, Tans, dad. So, after 3, everybody going to say, oh, 1, 2, 3.
Aww.
Goodbye. All right. Hold on it.
Me not laughing at all. Where are you, Lottie? This is my money now.
All right, next one says, get someone's left shoe.
I'm Belly. Sorry, Trudy. Trudy don't know when this is.
Chris, come here, please.
I put my shoes there, Miss.
Oi. After 3, 1, 2, 3.
Aww.
Come on, I said. Funniest thing happened.
Wait.
Trudy is our videographer and Trudy stays so. And Simone just grab her foot, take off the shoe.
Trudy don't know when the shoe's gone. Oh, thanks, shoes. Woo.
Trudy.
Belly can't manage this.
Trudy say, I walk one yourself.
What's on it? Hello, only just a fling. You know, where you just a fling the man's shoes?
Tamaroni, I can explain. We can't lose this, you know.
Don't we me?
No.
Cause you're over there.
No, we are always we. Next one. Get a lipstick or a lip gloss.
Oh man. That's my bag.
14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8.
Miss Mama, show them here. They know you're good.
6,
okay. Bye.
4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, come here 1 second. 1, 2, 3. Come up, I said, please.
I have a challenge now, though.
Yeah, we are down to the great Miss Marva.
I have a conflict.
Yeah.
I can't beat Miss Marva.
But you can't beat her because she's faster than you, Miss Marva.
No, I don't mean like that. I mean, I love her so much that I don't want to compete against her.
Miss Marva, hold Chris name knee and pull up the shoe.
Because if I beat Miss Marva, she could put like black pepper in my tea.
No, Miss Marva not doing that. All right, so this must be the last one because it's only 2 people.
Already.
Get someone cap.
Oh my God, Miss Mama, get off my It's a win. Go on, Miss Marv. I give it to you.
Well, Miss Marva win long time, you know, because Simone don't have a cap.
Chris used to have shown that to me.
Miss Marva win long time.
Good job, Miss Marv. Well, you mash up your glasses? Mashana, we buy it back, you know. Good job.
Whose phone that?
High five.
Is your phone, huh?
Well done.
Well.
She earned it.
Come here, Sam.
She earned
Sam,
it.
come here one
No,
second.
I'm hugging Miss Marv. You're not my friend, nephew.
Come here.
No.
Come here.
Nobody know over there if say, "Aww."
After 3, 1, 2, 3. Aww. Ladies and gentlemen, the champion of the Scavenger 2023. By the way, in case you don't know, this lady looks after us almost every morning when she's here. She's in charge of the place here. Miss Marva can't even breathe, I know. Look, I run up and down. But she looks after us, and we want to say thank you very, very much for that. Really.
What did she win?
No, she better win something.
Yes, we couldn't work so hard.
Mama said, I couldn't work so hard. We don't win nothing. Give back the people in the cap, now we are going with it. We're going to go for a break. More when we come back.
I can't believe Chris met me look. Chris, you should have thrown your hat to me.
That was so funny.
DJ Bravo, champion, champion, champion.